are important. These are limitations of the thermodynamics, you can see.
Sir, we are not able to see second slide. We are only able to see first slide.
Is it?
Sir,
Yes,
I think your slide is broken.
Oh, there is time lag, I guess. So you can see this introduction slide, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you see my second slide? How heat transfer is different from thermodynamics?
so we can just see the first slide.
See,
Only
this
first
is problem with the this software Teams. I think that students are on the second slide and they cannot see my second slide. So every time I have to ask them whether you see my second slide. So still you are not in position to see the second slide.
No, sir.
No, sir, still
Let
it is
me
like
come out of the
introduction.
present. Let me come out of the presentation. Now, can you see second slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, when I make it this slide show, that time it is giving problem. So just go through this second slide and try to connect it to the explanation which I gave just now. So in case of thermodynamics, we talk about the heat and work interactions. We talk about the end states. We do not talk about what you can say, the nature of interactions in between. And we also not talk about the time rate, means how fast or how slow these processes are occurring, right? So this is limitation of the thermodynamics. So what we will do is we'll try to overcome this in the heat transfer. Now how we overcome this is shown in the second slide. Now without going into this PowerPoint presentation, I'm just going through the slide. So now what we'll do is throughout this module, we'll ask these three questions to ourselves. These three questions. Now what are those three questions? So what is heat transfer? Then how it is, how the heat transfer takes place or how it is transferred, and why it is important to study heat transfer. These three questions we'll try to address. And while addressing these three questions, we will ask these questions to ourselves, these two questions. These two we'll always look at while answering these three questions. Now, what are the objectives? Our objective is to develop an appreciation for the fundamental concept or the principles which will cause the heat transfer process. Means how the heat transfer will take place. What will be the mechanism of heat transfer? Is it conduction, convection, or a radiation? That we'll try to find out. Then we'll illustrate the manner in which the knowledge of heat transfer will be used to solve the problems which are relevant to the technology and society. So how to use these concepts or the fundamentals which we have developed and solve the real life problems. So our focus is on these two objectives for this particular chapter, Introduction to Heat Transfer. Yeah. So today we'll introduce only the basic mechanisms of heat transfer. Now can you see this slide? This one?
Yes.
Yes. So the basic modes of heat transfer, I have just projected it on the screen now. I am not going in presentation mode. So remember this. Now somebody said that heat or heat transfer is the energy, right? Thermal energy. Somebody said, right? And you also mentioned that there is temperature difference. So this is also right. But if you miss this word, then there is no meaning. So remember, the heat or the heat transfer is the form of energy in transition or energy in transit. And this is happening due to, this is with respect to space and temperature difference. So if you have the flow domain like this, and you are standing here and one more point you are taking, let's say point 1 and point 2, as long as there is temperature difference between these two, the heat transfer will take. So the driving potential in case of heat transfer is the temperature difference. Is it clear? The driving potential in case of heat transfer.
I think your drawing is not visible to us.
Okay, but at least you can understand what I'm explaining right now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
See, in case of heat transfer, the driving potential is the temperature difference. So as long as temperature difference exists, the heat transfer will take place. So when heat transfer will cease, when the temperature at the 2 points, which whatever 2 points you are considering is one and the same, then the heat transfer should cease. There will not be heat transfer because there is no driving potential, right? So the heat transfer or definition of heat transfer is it is the thermal energy in transit or a transition, and this is due to a special temperature difference. So these two conditions must be met: energy in transit and the temperature difference, and then only you will call it as heat transfer. Otherwise, not. Is there any diploma student here in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think I explained you what is heat and work in last semester thermodynamics, right?
Yes, sir.
So do you remember the example which I gave that time? The rain is falling from the clouds.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you people will keep quiet. I am asking this question to the regular students, and I will come to know whether they understood this concept of heat and work or not. So imagine you have the clouds like this. Clouds. Now also you are not able to see my drawing, or
No, sir. No.
No, sir, we can.
so rain is falling from the clouds. The rain is falling from the clouds. The rain is falling from the cloud at the rate of, let us say, 10 meter cube per second. 10 meter cube per second. So this is your ground. You have to tell me what is the amount of rain collected after 10 seconds. 10 seconds. This question is for regular students only and not for diploma students because they know the answer. They already studied in last semester. Correct? Okay. The regular students, those who have studied thermodynamics, for them this question is, I repeat, rain is falling from the clouds at the rate of 10 meter cube per second. Tell me the amount of rain collected on ground after 10 seconds. Abhishek. Any regular student.
So can you please again repeat the question?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, there is problem with this software, Microsoft Teams. I just joined using my mobile right now. So we'll stop. So I'm trying to join again using this machine, but somehow it is not helping me. Let me just add this.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
there are a lot of problems with this software I am facing right from the day started.